Here's how to do a Nollie Treflip on a fingerboard. But first, let's start off with the finger position. So for the Nollie Treflip, you want to place your index finger at the center of the edge of the nose. I've seen a lot of people putting their index finger hanging off the nose just like this. But for me, I prefer to place it at the center of the edge of the nose because that will give me a better pop and scope for the Nollie Treflip. And for the middle finger, you want to place it pretty much in the middle of the board. And this is my placement for a Nollie Treflip. Now you got the finger position down, let's proceed to the next step. Alright, so for this trick, you want to put more weight or put more pressure to your index finger. Because the Nollie Treflip is all about putting more pressure to your index finger as you can. So when it comes to Nollie Treflip, you should pop or snapping the nose down, then you want to scoop it with your index finger really hard. It is really important to pop the nose down and then scoop to get a full 360-degree spin rotation, just like in a regular Treflip, but in the opposite way. Now you got the pop and scooping down, let's proceed to the next step. So right after you pop and scoop the nose down, then you want to flick your middle finger out toward in this edge, almost near the pocket of the tail. At this point, after you scoop the nose down, that's when you start to flick with your middle finger that allows you to flip the board while it completes a full 360-degree spin. You want to make sure that you flick your middle finger because if you don't, you will end up doing looks like a Nollie Tre shove at some point. So always make sure to flick your middle finger after you scoop the nose down. So once your board has finished spinning and flipping at the same time, you want to catch it with your both fingers, land it, and roll away clean. Alright, so remember, let's take a little recap. The first step is to pop and scoop the nose down real hard with your index finger. Then the second step is to flick with your middle finger. And then the third step is to catch it with your both fingers, land it, and roll away. It's all about that perfect timing. Well, there you have it. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video. And remember to add that too. Itachi Han. You're welcome.